Hello, welcome to another episode of As an American. Today we're going to talk about how to use you and I, or is it you and me? You use I when you refer to the subject. You use me when you refer to the object of the verb. For example, I have you and Black are going to sign the contract when we arrive. Is it you and I or you and me? Put your answer below. The correct answer is you and I. Exactly, you get it. You and I. Why I choose I? Because I refers to the subject. So both of us, you and I, are going to sign the contract when we arrive. You get it? Thank you. Check.